Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with Standard 8th, Chapter 4, Understanding Laws. So, today's topic is how do new laws come about? So, when a new law is being drafted, children, the Parliament has a key role in the process. It takes place in different ways. Mostly, it has been observed that different groups of Indian society raise their voice if a country needs a particular law. While making laws, the lawmaker in the parliament need to be sensitive to the demand of the people, children. So, you all know that law is made in the parliament. Now, the next paragraph, domestic violence refer to any harm, injury or threat caused by the action of an adult male, usually by a husband against his wife. Injury can also be caused if a man abuses a woman emotionally or beats her physically. So, according to the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, the term domestic is extended to all those women who live or have lived under a shared household with that male member who caused the violence. So, children, we have seen about domestic violence, and in the comics we have read about the violence. Here, the example we have seen here, several lawmakers, students and activists, even the women organization, okay, they came together, all came together so that an act to prevent domestic violence could be formed. So, we have read in this comic, they submitted a draft to the Parliamentary Standing Committee. So, which in turn submitted its recommendation to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So, once the bill was passed in the two houses, children, it was sent to the President, and finally the bill for protection of Women's Against Domestic Violence Act came into existence in 2005. So, this was how the Act for Domestic Violence was formed. In this we have seen. So, here in this box, children, we come to a point that often women who face violence or are abused are seen as victims, but women's struggle is in several different ways to survive this situation, children. Therefore, it is more accurate to refer to them as survivors rather than as victims. So, women were, we can call them survivor rather calling them as victim. So, next page we see that the citizens' role is crucial, children, when the parliament is framing different concerns that the Indian citizen might have regarding the laws. When a law is being proceeded at every stage, the voice of the citizen is important. Whether it's about establishing a new law or it's being passed, the voice of the people can be heard through TV, debates, newspapers, editorials and reports. Even local meeting, radio, broadcasting, etc. With the help of these, the parliament's work becomes more transparent and accessible to the people. This is how we have seen in the example of the comic also, how the law was passed and how the bill was approved and passed.